Hi, I'm Shawn from the Danecountymarket.com real estate team, powered by Keller Realty. Today we're going to be talking about interest rates and should you be worried about the impending rise in the rate. Well, finally interest rates have started to rise. In fact, for the first time since last summer, interest rates have gone higher than 4% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. In fact, today they're at 4.5% with most of the lenders that we work with. We're in for quite a competitive stretch in the housing market as well. Last year saw the end of this past year left us here in Dane County with less than 1,000 listings active on the market. With the amount of time that it takes for those houses to all sell being at less than 1.5 months. A normal market, as I've mentioned before, is balanced when you have about 6 months of supply. So we're at a quarter of that. So the market is moving pretty rapidly. Just as a note, 4.5% interest is still a super low rate for financing a home for 30 years. It just happens to follow a long period of time where we had incredibly near record low rates. So we also don't think that this is just a little blip in the interest rate. In fact, Len Kiefer, who's the chief economist for Freddie Mac, thinks we've seen the last of the sub 4% rates for quite some time due to strengthening inflation and an economy that's growing. Secondly, the demand for mortgages is up as well. In fact, applications were up 4.1% in January versus January of 2017. Third, the housing supply is becoming increasingly tight. In Dane County, Wisconsin, at the end of 2017, there were 17% less houses available than there were at the end of the previous year. What does this mean for you? The growth in mortgage rates shouldn't affect the number of eager home buyers out there because demand is exceeding the supply. In other words, there's way too many buyers for too few houses, and we're looking for that trend to continue. Should you worry about this rise in the interest rate? Well, not necessarily. The biggest limiting factor will still be the number of homes available. Fortunately, as we're entering into the spring season, a large number of homes will be hitting the market. You can see them all on our website at Danecountymarket.com or MadisonNeighborhoods.com. If you're looking to sell, there's probably never been a better time in recent history to get top dollar for your home. So we're here to help. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at the number below. Thanks for watching our video, and we will see you next time.